Hey, welcome back to Blanchy Talks Watches. Obviously today we have another unboxing video. Quick wrist check. I have my G-Shock mod. Kind of ties in a little bit with what's inside this box. I will throw a link to the video where I modified that watch into the description if you're interested. So this watch is one I bought myself from a brand I've been looking at for years, but I never pulled the trigger. It's one of those cases of I just have so many watches on my want list, and the timing was just never right to grab one of these, even though I've heard great things about them. And I actually am friendly with the owner through some of the watch groups. Mike, great guy. So when they did a 70% site-wide sale on, I could not resist any longer. So this arrived from Hong Kong in about a week, which is pretty good. Struggling as always to get into the box. And then we're in. Even when we're in the box, it still takes a while to get the actual box out. Okay, so unbranded cardboard sleeve, as is so common, and there we have it. Mint, or I think it's Mint Evolutive, the full name, but everyone calls it Mint. Nice display box. I splashed out and treated myself to an extra strap. I think it came to something like $9 for this sailcloth strap in maroon. Nice thank you note. Thanks for supporting the brand. We hope you enjoyed the product as much as we enjoyed developing it. Make sure that you check out the user guide before manipulating the watch. Each QR code will bring you to our video tutorials. You can also access them directly from our website. Won't read the rest. It's there if you want to pause it and read it. So, as I mentioned, you see it here, watch modding. Time back to my G-Shock. This is pretty special in the fact that you can modify the watch straight out of the box with the parts they give you. Just a big sheet of paper with the operating instructions and modding operations, so that is really cool. So this is designed for people who, it's designed for everyone, but especially for people who would like to mod a watch but maybe don't have the confidence to give it a go. Little branded cleaning cloth, international warranty card. That is chunky. Jeez, I wasn't expecting that. That is a fine hunk of metal. This watch is covered against manufacturing defects for 1 year from the date of purchase. This warranty does not cover normal wear and tear, loss, theft, or damage resulting from improper use. Register and activate your warranty on our website. That's very cool. I didn't realise they came with such a beefy warranty card. I love warranty cards. I've got Zealous have another heavy duty metal one as well. Not that heavy duty, but okay, so here we go. Lovely. I will start to unwrap it and see how this goes. A lot of you will know I often struggle with unwrapping. Oh, that was easy. Before I even finished telling you how I struggle, I had it unwrapped. So that's a nice surprise for once. Bracelet feels a bit stiff. We'll have to see how that wears. But I have to get it open first. The struggle is real with some of these. I may or may not speed this up, depending on how long it actually takes me to get it. So as I mentioned about modding this, there's a range of different options you could get. So the full kit has like 3 different coloured bezels, 3 or 4 maybe even, on different straps and all sorts. I didn't go for the full kit, I just went for the maroon and the plain bezel. I'm not actually mad on the plain bezel, but I think that it just opens up a whole other range of versatility for the watch. So you can dress it up or down. The main reason I went for it was the maroon. I love the maroon, and that's why I went for the sailcloth strap as well to go with it. So, nearly there. So much struggle. That was really helpful, that sticker that just came straight off. So I'm assuming the rest of the mod kit is underneath this part in the box, but I'll get this plastic off, we'll have a quick look at the watch, and then I'll do some digging and see what I can find. Cool. And I'm in. And there's more. It's always a little bit extra. I think it is just on the top of this piece. It's well packaged anyway. No risk at all of it getting scratched in shipping. Cool. There we have it. And I've covered it in fingerprints already, so handy. I have a polishing cloth. Very nice. And here's the NH35 automatic with the branded rollers up. It's pretty cool. Okay, so I'll watch the side and I'll pop up the base box and see what else we have. Okay, so here it is, and this is what makes it a mod kit and what makes this watch and the brand unique. You can see a pearl-on strap in the maroon and a lovely leather maroon strap as well. Straps are something that comes with a lot of different watches, nothing too special there. What does make this special is it also comes with a replacement bezel. There's the bezel click spring there underneath it as well, and some spare spring bars. Other unique features are the little wedges to take off the bezel. I normally use automotive trim removal tools, so it's pretty cool to see Mint have made their own ones and branded them. Very cool touch. And it also comes with a spring bar removal tool to help with those strap changes. But I said it before videos, I like to use my Bergen 6767. Much better option for changing. This one I'm sure is fine too, but this is the best. It's not that expensive. I think it was about 20 quid, and yeah, I'd well recommend getting one. And funnily enough, about a year ago when I was looking to get a good spring bar tool that I wouldn't need to replace ever, it was Mike, the owner of Mint, who put me onto this one. So yeah, I definitely advise doing the same and grabbing one of these. You'll never damage one of your watches again. I'll throw a link in the description if you're interested in one of them. And lastly, if I can get it out, you get a screwdriver, which is actually colour coded to the watch, which is really cool. I don't know, did they do that on all of them, or did I just get lucky? But yeah, that's pretty cool. So that's the full kit. So there you have it with the high polished bezel, and then you can swap it onto the maroon and the different strap options, and of course the sailcloth that I bought myself. It's too good a deal to pass up on, to be honest. I'm kind of kicking myself I didn't get more straps, because for that price, I think it was $9 I paid for this strap, and that's an absolute steal. Right, I'm going to throw it on the wrist super quick. Haven't size it up or anything, so I don't know if it will fit, but I'll probably change it onto a strap to start with anyway. Oh yeah, that's quite nice. It's kind of funny looking at it because I bought this in my mind as the maroon watch, and I hadn't considered having it in this configuration at all. So it looks totally different than what I was expecting. And it sounds silly because I mean I had seen it in this configuration on the website from what I bought, but just in my mind it was, you know, this strap and that bezel. But yeah, first impressions size wise, it's nice weight to it. Obviously I'll take out a couple of links, but I was slightly worried about how stiff the bracelet felt, but once it's on, it follows the curve of my wrist quite nicely. It's not the heat, yeah, there is decent articulation, nothing special, but it does follow the wrist quite nicely. Obviously you need to size it, but plenty of micro adjusts. Nice engraved buckle. Yeah, same on the straps as well. The straps have engraved hardware. I believe all of them do. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, look, I'm going to leave it there for now. I will do a full review on the channel, and I'll even do a video on how you mod this. I think I'll keep that separate to the review and just put a few snippets in. Looks to be a super simple project. I'm actually going to modify this for myself right now off camera. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. I believe they're clearing out all their stock, so there's a good chance there'll be none left by the time this video goes live. I'll put a link there just in case. Have a look. If they have anything left, 70% off. These were good value at full price, so it's stupid value at this price. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.